Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha penat kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
My knowledge as Law Minister of the State of Meghalaya, no information has yet reached my office. I can understand that with elections happening in certain states, there have been statements made by leaders of the country on the implementation of the UCC. Accordingly, there has been reactions based on those observations made in a public forum. Whether or not the state of Meghalaya has received anything in writing, not to my knowledge and information. Honorable Chief Minister has been very candid about it. We have said that we are a state with special privileges. We are protected by the 6th schedule. The 6th schedule predominantly attends to personal laws in a large extent. Matters of land, matters of marriage, matters of inheritance, etc., etc., etc. It would be too early for me to comment on this matter because to my own research, I have been told that there was a private member's bill that was submitted to the Rajya Sabha. That bill was not taken up for discussion. Whether or not it remains the agenda of the NDA will have to call its partners in states before deciding and taking decisive decisions on matters which affect states. And we as a state, as you heard the Honorable Chief Minister comment, are firm on this matter. We shall not be part of allowing UCC to be operational in the state of Meghalaya. We have special privileges as per Constitution. We will fight to the hilt to ensure that our personal laws are not touched. We are unique. We are a matrilineal community. All of that has a full presence and understanding in the Constitution. And I'm sure other states in the Northeast region will also likely have a similar view. I feel that UCC is a huge proposal. Does not touch only one aspect. It has a lot of aspects. We will cross the bridge and deal with the problem once it comes to us officially. But as of now, to my information and knowledge, it is still not there. I think we should jump the gun. Why should we seek exemption when the matter is not even official? Let the matter become official first. Then we shall respond accordingly. Because we don't know what they want to put in that UCC. It is a huge policy. Personal law is huge. It encompasses way of life, encompasses tradition and practice, encompasses religion and religious beliefs. It encompasses uniqueness of states. So by bringing a particular law only to address a certain lacunae in a practice of a certain community is incorrect in a state like India, where there are 32 states, all vibrantly coexisting. So that is the beauty of our democracy. No decision shall be entertained. But as of now, we are not even deciding, because to my knowledge, it has not come to my attention. does not preempt and talk and give decisions and give observations and opinions. Let it come first. Honorable Prime Minister must have mentioned it in some state when he went for some work. But that does not mean that that is law. Law has a process and a procedure. We will not jump the gun and presume that UCC is now an agenda of any government anyway. We will go respond on correct platforms. And political parties in the state of Meghalaya should understand that this is your government, irrespective of where you sit in the assembly. And if we have to collectively fight for the rights of the people of the state of Meghalaya, we will call everyone on board. We will take suggestions, we will take observations, we will have consultations. We will not allow. We cannot be just taken for granted. And I feel that we are discussing this matter prematurely, because I have not seen anything in writing, unless if I have been misinformed, then I'm yet to understand. But I did have an informal discussion with officers who said that nothing formal has come.